Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making New England clam chowder. Measurements are in the description below. The ingredients are bacon, celery, onions and garlic, russet potatoes, parsley, heavy whipping cream, clam juice, clams, and flour. Fry the bacon. I prefer crispy, but you can cook the bacon to your preference. Remove the bacon and set it aside. Scoop some excess oil and leave at least half. Now saute the onions and garlic in the bacon fat until softened. Add your potatoes and saute. Cook potatoes until halfway done. Add thyme and salt. Don't put too much salt because the bacon is already salty. Now slowly add your flour. Make sure the flour is thoroughly cooked and add a little bacon grease and mix if needed. Add clam juice and heavy cream. Mix and add celery. You can add water if you don't like thick clam chowder. Bring to a boil for about 3 minutes, then add your clams. Let it simmer for around 4 to 5 minutes. If it's too thick to your liking, you can add more water. Then add the bacon and chopped parsley a minute before you turn off the heat. And that's my recipe for New England clam chowder. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.